Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, how is everybody doing today? Welcome to Noor's Garden Kitchen. Today I'm baking a pineapple upside down cake. This is really very good cake. I think everybody will like pineapple, and it's very easy to make. Actually, any kids can make it too. It's very easy to make it. So let's go see how to make this cake. I have a lot of ingredients, but I'm gonna go over as I'm going making the cake. Okay. First, we are going to put the quarter cup of butter, melted butter. I have a half a cup of butter over here. I'm going to put quarter cup in there. Half of it, okay? Generously. You need a butter. Then you can put it properly everywhere. Coat it properly, the pan. Coat the pan properly. So you can take a brush or maybe your hand, just put it everywhere nicely. We have some brown sugar over here. We will put this brown sugar in here. It's a half a cup of brown sugar. You're gonna put it generously in there and put it properly. Mix it in there. Once it's baked, it's gonna be sweet and gooey, yummy, very nice cake. I might put a little bit more butter in there because I need some butter. It's about quarter cup. Okay, like that. Okay. It's ready now. Our pan is ready. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll take the pineapples. I'm using this canned pineapple slices, okay, in its own juice. There's no sugar in there. So we're gonna be using this. So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna open this, remove all the juice from pineapple and keep aside. We're going to use a little bit of juice in there too when we are mixing the dough. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, we're going to leave it for a few seconds until all the water drips. Okay, now we're gonna take a paper plate, a plate with a paper towel. We're gonna put it in there so we can remove all the juice. So when it's baking, it can absorb some of the butter and brown sugar. So we're gonna be just tapping it and cleaning, drying it a little bit. And then we're gonna cut it in half. Okay, we will be arranging pineapples in the pan like this. Okay, we arrange all the pineapples. Now we are gonna put some cherries. We have some cherries over here, can of cherries. We're gonna take each cherry. We're gonna remove some syrup from there too and put it in the middle. Okay, so we're gonna remove some juice from there, put it in the middle of it. Looking pretty already. Okay friends, our pan is ready. Now we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients, then we're gonna mix the wet ingredients, and then we're gonna make a batter and do the cake. Okay friends, we have 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, maida. Okay, and then we're gonna mix in there 1.5 spoon of baking powder, not baking soda. Okay, this is half a spoon, so I'm gonna mix. Okay, put in half a spoon of that, and then I'm gonna put half a spoon of salt. Okay, then we're gonna mix all these things together properly. Incorporate everything properly in there. Mix it. Okay, this is done. Now we are going to do the wet ingredients. So we have this bowl over here. We are going to put half a cup of butter. This is one whole stick of butter. This is half a cup. If you put it 4 tablespoons, it's like going to be half a quarter cup. If you put it like all the 8 tablespoons, is going to be half a cup. Okay, we're going to put all this in here, the whole stick. It's a room temperature butter. And then we have a 3/4 quarter cup of sugar, granulated sugar. We're gonna beat this with my hand mixer. Okay. Slowly first, then as you go, you can mix it go higher, faster. Just two. Make it fluffy, so the cake will be fluffy. This has to be very fluffy. I like this hand mixture. If you want, I can put the link in the description box. This is cardless. You can just charge it to the card, just like you're charging your phone. I'm gonna go one more up. You see how fluffy it's getting? Now we will add 3 eggs in there. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract. Two teaspoons of vanilla extract. And we're gonna add 3/4 cup of milk. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And then we're gonna add 1/3 cup of sour cream. Okay, we're gonna keep this one. mix it again. Okay, now we start adding flour little at a time. You're not going to put the whole thing one time. You're going to put like half of it. Let's see. I'm going to bring it to the corners. We're going to mix it properly. Then you're going to add the rest of the flour in there. Okay friends, we are going to use this pineapple juice, but we saved it a little bit. Don't put too much, just give us a little bit more pineapple flavor in the cake. Okay, look how fluffy, how nicely it is. So we are going to stop it, and now we are going to pour it in the pan. Okay, we are going to pour all the batter in here. You can use any kind of pan. You can use round, you can use square. Okay friends, our cake is ready to go in the oven. I preheated the oven 350 degrees. I'm going to put it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes to bake this. Okay, we'll come back after once it's done. Okay. Okay friends, our cake is done. Smells like heavenly. Smells so good. We're gonna flip it. That's the problem. That's the main thing. You have to flip this cake, then it's gonna look pretty. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Woo! Look at that, beautiful. Wow, this came out real good. Look, all the cherries and this pineapple in there. Looks so delicious, so yummy. Okay, it's very easy to make it. You can make it too. You don't have to use this kind of pan. If you want it, you can make either round pan or maybe square pan. You just put one in the middle and put the cherries in there and put it around it. Then you can put the batter on top of it. Okay. Okay friends, our pineapple upside down cake is ready. You can make this kind of cake anytime for any party, or if you want to give as a gift to the neighbor or something. If you go on the dinner party, if you want to take some kind of side dish, you can take this one. It's very easy to make it, and you can buy this kind of cake to keep the cake. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And cover it. Then put a bow. The red and green, the white, it's a Christmas colors. Merry Christmas. Okay friends. Okay, try to make this. If you like it, click like and share with your family and friends, and definitely please subscribe my channel. Okay, bye, see you next video.